In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom image to your HubSpot page template. Whether you're looking to give your page a bit more personality or need to align it with your brand's aesthetic, adding a custom image can make all the difference. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this seamlessly. First, you'll want to visit the HubSpot homepage. This is your go-to platform for all your business software and tools. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to log in. Simply click on the login button and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This is the main dashboard where you'll access all of your HubSpot tools and resources. Next, navigate to the trial guide. This area is designed to help you explore various features and tools that HubSpot offers. As you familiarize yourself with the trial guide, look for the library section. It's within the library that you'll have access to a range of assets, including your page templates. Click on the library and then navigate to templates. This will direct you to the specific area where you can manage and customize your various templates. In the templates area, select the template you wish to modify. Ensuring you're working on the correct template is key, as this will be where you'll add your custom image. Once you've selected your desired template, look for the option to insert an image. This is generally quite straightforward, with an easy to spot button or link that will allow you to insert your custom visuals. When you click on insert image, you'll be able to browse your files and upload the image you want to use. It's important to ensure that the image you're uploading is high quality and fits the dimensions recommended for your template. This will help to maintain the visual integrity of your page and ensure that your image enhances rather than detracts from your overall design. With your image selected and uploaded, take a moment to preview your changes. This step allows you to see how the image fits within the context of your template. If you're satisfied with how it looks, you can go ahead and save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom image to your HubSpot page template. By following these steps, you can infuse your templates with a bit of your brand's unique style and make your pages more engaging. Remember, a well-placed image can significantly enhance user experience, drawing attention to the most important parts of your message. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tips and tricks.